Our journey begins amidst the glamour of vintage Hollywood, where secrets were as common as stars in the sky. Step into the hallowed halls of a bygone era, where makeup maestros like Max Factor wielded brushes like wands, transforming ordinary faces into celluloid legends. Behind the scenes, the true magic of Hollywood unfolded as makeup artists worked their wizardry on the faces of screen sirens like Marilyn Monroe and Audrey Hepburn. Yet, amidst the glamour, whispers of betrayal echoed through the corridors of power. Some makeup artists harbored secrets that could shatter the facades of the silver screen. Paparazzi lenses captured moments of scandal and intrigue, revealing the tangled webs of romance and rivalry that lurked behind perfectly painted smiles. Legal battles erupted as betrayed stars and spurned artists sought justice in the courts, exposing the darker side of the beauty industry. Tabloid headlines blared with scandalous tales of love triangles, embezzlement, and double crosses, proving that even the most glamorous profession had its share of shadows. Yet, amidst the chaos, stories of redemption emerged as former foes buried the hatchet and joined forces to create beauty where there was once only bitterness. Today, these tales serve as cautionary reminders of the power and pitfalls of the makeup industry, inspiring a new generation to navigate its glittering labyrinth with wisdom and grace. And so, dear viewers, remember that behind every stroke of makeup lies a story of beauty, betrayal, and the timeless allure of Hollywood.